not get. We will not know. Unpredictable. So unpredictable, equally, likely, all these words are same meaning. Okay. So we are tossing a coin. See, for example, cricket. In cricket, two people will be there. Two teams will be there. So we need to check who has to bowl first and who has to do batting. They will need to check. So for that, what they will do?
Toss a coin.
So we will leave it to God. No, like that. They take me to toss. When they toss a coin, we have head, tail. Two things. What are these two called?
Possible outcomes.
Yeah, possible sample spaces. It's called S. Okay. Sample spaces are elements. Possible events. All possible events. Okay. Suppose the probability. Now, when we take a probability of, so n of S will be number of sample spaces.
2.
Number 1, 2, counting and writing number. Okay. Then now event. Event is getting a head. This is an event. Getting a head. Event. Event we will take it as A, E or anything. I'll take it as E now. Okay, in your book they like E, I think. So everywhere they put E. So K also it is same meaning. Meaning any letter you can use at this point E. So what is the probability of getting a head? What is the probability of getting a head? I want to answer. Like online classes, don't tell me, don't be quiet. It's very difficult for me. What is the probability of getting a head? 1 by 2. Very good. So what is the formula? What is the formula?
N by E by N by S.
N of E by N of S. Okay. If you write it, what is N of E? The number of favorable events and number of sample spaces. Okay. So we usually write only this. We don't have time maths exam. We should time ourselves. Timing is very important. Fast, quick, but correct. Accuracy and speed. So don't forget both. So let us not write full sentence. Okay, but you understand, right? N of P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. Always write that. No problem. No one will put wrong for that. Don't sit and write number of favorable events divided by number. If you have more time, you do. If you feel I don't know anything, I have to pass the time, it is happening, this probability, you tell me. I will not tell you, don't write. Okay? Otherwise, you use N of E by N of S, enough. Okay? So E, getting ahead is E. N means number of event will be 1. So you get 1 by 2. You should write here, getting her head. So what is the probability of getting a tail?
1 by 2.
So what are these two things called?
Favorable outcomes.
So this is P of E means we call this is P of E dash, complementary events. These two are complementary events. Suppose in 10th C we have 30 students and 15 are boys, means 15 are girls. So what is the probability of boys attend the class?
1 by
1. What is the probability of complementary event?
1
What is the complementary event? Number of girls attend the class. Understand? So what we are trying to tell is, like this many things can be possible. Suppose a red color ball. There is a big box here. Imagine. We have many red balls. We have green. We have blue. Many balls. So the total number. Suppose I take 5 blue balls. Blue. Okay. And 3 red. And 6 pink. Pink color balls are there. So what is N of S in this? Wait, Naresh will answer. 14. You should add fast. You are doing very slowly, then you can't complete the paper. So N of S is 14. Now what is the probability of getting Bhagya? What is the probability of getting red color? What is the probability of getting a ball? All these are there inside the box. Imagine this is there. So N of S is 14 total. Okay. So getting a red ball, what is the probability? Louder, ma. 3. Wrong answer. 3 cannot be the answer for probability because all the probability will be more than 0. It is like this. You know what is this? Any event of probability will be always a fraction, but two proper fractions. 0 to 1, there are many fractions. There are infinite numbers are there, 0 to 1. If you don't know mathematics, you will ask me, 0 to 1, what number is there? Okay, but you know mathematics, 0 to number, we have many numbers. What are these numbers called? Rational numbers. We have many rational numbers. That too, all proper fractions, improper fractions. So your answer should be proper fraction. Now tell Bhavya. Bhavya, the mask is put only for mouth, not for your brain. Remove the mask from the brain. You can do it. Come on. Think. See, red how many? Red, total how many? So what is the formula? Tell the formula. P of E is equal to. What is the formula of P?
N by E and
N of E. Say N of E. N of E by
N of S.
N of S. N of E by N of S.
3 by 14.
Very good. That's all. That's all. Very good. That's all. The mask is not for your brain. It's only for your mouth and your nose. Okay? So you have to open up fast and complete fast our portions and revise completely. I want many excellent marks. I want everyone must get excellent marks this year. Because instead of March 3rd exam, they kept May 3rd. So imagine, just approximately I'm telling you. 3rd means I remember always 3, so only. March 3rd, always my son's birthday. On that day only maths exam will be there. I can have that tension. I will never pray. None of the years I prayed for that. My son, I prayed only for tension exam, easy to be, children to complete, like that. So only I am telling March 3rd. So that, how many months we have? March full, April full, we will have it. God is giving blessings in disguise. Even in this pandemic, you are lucky. Because May month means we can have 3 preparatories. Yesterday also I spoke to principal. I have to give 3 preparatories. You follow that. I will correct. Okay. So from my side, I should also put a hard work so that to show excellent result. So you have to get, everyone have to get a point. 100. Many hundreds there. Okay. Remember that. So remember, the probability answer should be between 0 to 1. It can be 0, it can be 1. How I will tell you. Now, getting a red ball. Okay. Now, what is the probability of getting a pink ball? Say it.
It is 3 by 7 now.
When pink ball is pink. What is the answer?
3 by 7.
3 by 7.
Yes, ma'am. He reduced it.
Oh, okay. You are telling the final answer. Okay, 3 by 7. After that, you can cancel. Okay, 6 in your 2 table. Cancelling also, should not, some people will make the tension of mathematics exam. Numerator they cancel in 2 tables. Denominator they cancel 3 tables, right? Easy to score marks, they lose it and sit. So only while cancelling, please cancel same table. 2 table you are cancelling, 2 table. 5 table you are cancelling, 5 table both top and down, numerator and denominator. Okay, so what is the probability of getting blue? Smita.
5 by 14.
5 by 15. Okay, that's all. You can't cancel, leave it. This much is there. Now what is the, when it will come 0, when it will come 1. So the 0, it is, when we get the 0, we call it as what?
0.
What do you call this event?
0. Impossible.
Impossible event, very good. We call it as impossible event. You know how when? The probability of getting a green ball. There is no green ball only. So there is impossible event. Okay? So probability of getting a green ball is impossible event. Probability of getting green color ball. So there is no green, so it is 0, which is called as impossible event. Now, when we get probability of 1, can anybody say when we will get probability of 1?
Getting any ball.
Getting any one ball. Any
Probability
color.
of getting a ball.
Very good. Probability of getting any color or probability of getting a ball either blue, red or pink. If they are giving anything, blue, that is only
1 by
any
14.
color. Any color, any ball. So probability of getting any ball means not mention anything.
Ma'am, but
So probability of taking a ball which can be any color. You should write like that. Probability of taking a ball which can be any color. So what is happening? It is possible everything. So what is 14 by 14 will come? Okay, so probability of getting any color is equal to 1. What is this called event? What is this event called?
Sure event.
Sure event or certain event. We call it as sure. S-U-R-E, sure event or certain event. Okay, so all these are which you have learned only is coming this year. So no problem for us. So we can easily finish within 2 days this chapter. Okay, so now let us go to cards, playing cards. Okay,
50.
shall we go to playing cards or dice? Okay, let's go to dice. Now, this madam has taken the duster and cards.
53 cards are there.
52.
What is one joker?
Joker is not there. 52. 52.
I learned to play cards also.
Even I play. It is called weak card.
Hey, 13.
Bro, I'll pause it. Bro, I'll pause it.
Pass it. Hey.
Ludo? One movie has come, Ludo you saw. How many of you saw? Ludo Hindi movie. It's nice. Tamil version only I saw. I'm very bad in Hindi. Ludo, they were telling me the subject was the Tamil version only I saw.
They'll kidnap the child.
Ludo, who's very good movie. You this is not get the recording. Watch the movies. Just to relax. Suppose you are tensed and you are very much studied and you are exhausted in studying. You want to be out of this particular situation. That time you must put the TV and you must watch. My son will do that. Pull me and he'll come. Stop thinking about your school and thinking about your house and see this series. So like that, he will only put some movies and will see. I will not put it. Oh, get dice. So throwing a die, there is a Ludo, you have played Ludo, Snake and Ladder. There are so many games which you play. You use dice. In that, what all will come in sample space?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number.
So 1 to 6. Correct. Okay. This is yes. So what is n of s? 6.
Six.
What is the probability of getting prime number? What is the
3 by
probability of getting prime number?
3 by 6, 1 by 2. 1 by 2.
3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
First you write the formula. P of E is equal to n of E by n of s. Then you write what is E. E is a prime number. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 is neither prime
unique
nor
number.
composite. Don't at all consider. 2. 2 is a
Prime number.
what do you mean by prime number?
Number is already by 1 line itself.
You should have factors of 2 and 1 only. Like if number and 1. That we simply say is it should come only in 2 table. 2 means only in 2 table. 3 means only no other table should come. Okay? So 2. 2 is a prime number. 3 comes only in 3 table. 3 is a prime number. 4 is a composite number because 2 2s are 4. 4 comes in 2 table, 4 table. It has a factors, many factors. 4 will come in composite number. 5
Prime number.
So 6 composite number. 6 is called as composite number. So we should not consider it. 3. So correct. What you are telling is correct. So n of E is 3. So P of E is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Now throwing 2 dice will come now in this chapter. Little more extra. All these are basic. Okay. So let's complete the basic first. Then go to our 10th standard.
Sample spaces 12.
Now, basic go to the cards. What all will come in the cards?
You have to.
Playing shuffled deck of cards.
Is 1.
52.
52.
Ace. That is what you call spade.
1. Spade.
No, ace money, ma'am.
Ace.
Spade, clubs,
Hearts, diamonds.
cards,
Flower.
hearts,
Diamond.
Hearts.
We have so many things. Okay. So in
I
this
never
two,
liked that.
these two are black in color.
red.
These two are red in color. So first day ma'am taught to play cards. But only with the siblings you should play. Don't go to somebody's house to play cards. Okay, if you want, you take the cards and play with your siblings. Now, because of pandemic, all this situation, otherwise you would have put here and you would have played here. Okay, it's there in our
Math lab.
So just learning everything is good. Because nobody should teach us. So we should learn how they are doing work. Everything we should learn and we should forget. Should not sit and play and leave our ambition. Okay? So black. Now in each there are 4 different varieties. In each variety
13.
you have
13 cards. 13.
13
yes,
marks.
that is 1. Instead of 1 we will have A here. Okay?
A, 1,
not
no, 2, 3, 4, 5,
It goes
6,
till 10.
10.
Then
Jack,
King. King.
So how many?
13.
So each has 13. So 13, 13, 13 and 13. In that. So total?
52.
Why we are not including Joker?
Because
Joker only for entertainment. Joker is not for the main theme. So only you should always not do comedy and roam around and forget the ambition. Okay? 52 called as
Possible outcome.
Sample spaces.
NFS. It is called as NFS. It's called as
NFS.
So NFS is this. Now, what is the probability of black color Raksha? What is the probability of taking a black color card from the well shuffled playing cards? Deck of cards. I can't hear. I think I asked Yes.
You don't tell me.
Correct. 26 by 50. Then you can calculate. Then it. So, both the black, when we say probability of getting a black color card, it means both. So, 26 by 52, which is equal to 1. So, probability of getting a red color card is P of
1 by
1 minus,
2.
so P of E dash. When we take red complementary event, they are called P E dash. Suppose you take this as P of E, we will take the red color as P E dash. P E dash is 1 minus P of E. Remember that formula also. So you remember one formula. What is that? Probability should always between 0 to 1. It can be 0, it can be 1 also. So greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 1. What is the meaning? Probability should be always a proper fraction. Probability should be always a proper fraction. Improper fraction should not come. More than 1 is not possible. That is the first formula. Second formula is P of E dash. P of E dash is equal to 1 minus P of E, where E and E dash are complementary events. You have to write down all this. Please take your book and write down. What you write? First you write this. What you write? Probability. First you write probability is all possible outcome. You didn't give a class. Okay. What is probability? You write probability. You got the video, so you learn at home. Now only you learn and don't waste time. You learn extra things at home. You are coming to school, right? So whenever you are coming to school, whatever you are learning, don't go and keep learning the same thing. Learn the extra thing, extra. So many things will come. So write down probability on top. Okay, P of E is equal to, take away the first point. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. Right, what is N of E? N of E is number of outcomes favorable to E. Number of outcomes favorable to E. Number of outcomes favorable to E divided by number of all possible outcomes. Number of all possible outcomes of the experiment. Okay, second point. That is the first point. Second point. Second point. P of E dash is equal to 1 minus P of E. All these are things to remember.
This is formula.
This
Formula.
formula, like you should things to remember. Before you start revising the chapter, you should first learn what are all the things to remember. Then you should go to exercise. Straight away don't take the exercise and start practicing. Because they twist the question in multiple choice and all. If you know the concept, you can easily attempt those questions. Otherwise, multiple choice we can't attempt. P of E dash is equal to 1 minus P of E, where E and E dash are complementary events. P of E dash is equal to 1 minus P of E, where E and E dash are called complementary events. Third point. Probability should be always, third point. Probability should be, if you write 3 probability answer means, immediately you should remember I am wrong. Because probability will never come in whole number. Okay, always remember, probability whole number barvadu, negative no barvadu. It should come only fraction, that too proper fraction. Improper fraction also it should not come. Okay, it can come decimals because 1 by 2 is 0.5 and that too decimals only 0 point something should come. 1 point something and that should not come. 1.5 means it is improper fraction. We will definitely will not get. So when you write you should be careful. So probability should always, what you wrote?
Probably.
Should be always between 0 and 1. And then write this. 0 greater than symbol, P of E, less than symbol, equal sign symbol and 1. Okay? There. Then straight away we can go. Okay, when we are, now you think about the cards. We'll go back to the cards again. So probability, now there are many things. Now suppose you take spade, what is this symbol? What is the probability of taking this symbol? Spade.
1 by 4. 1 by 4.
13 by 52 is called 1 by 4, 1/4. What is the probability of getting a claver?
1 by 4.
What is the probability of getting everything 1 by 4? When we add all the 1 by 4, what you will get?
1.
1. So what is the meaning?
The probability
Number of
between 1 and
Sum
0.
of all the
Yeah, sum of all the events are equal to 1. Okay? So that is also one formula is there. One formula called there. Sum of all, next point, write the next point. Sum of all the probabilities, sum of all the probabilities, sum of all the probabilities of all the elementary events. It's called elementary events. Sum of all the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is always 1. Is always 1. Example, P of spade plus P of claver plus P of diamond plus P of arcade is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 kind of this. Example, this is an example for playing cards. But actually we should not write the symbol. We think they are very bad gambling players. Teacher has taught them to play gambling very badly to children.
Which is complementary.
Yeah, black and red only is complementary. We can't take it as complementary, it is called elementary events. So we can write it as P of A plus P of B plus P of C plus P of D. A, B, C, D is equal to 1. Okay, this is just to understand the concept. Okay, don't go very detailed. So when we write it in an exam, it's correct only. What we are writing is correct, but they will think we are gambling players. We can't tell anything. Let them think what they want. Okay, let's go to the exercise 15.1. Yes. Yes, 15.1 page number. Everything will start, please.
Exercise 16.1, page number 308.
Page
308. First question. Complete the following statements. Probability of an event E plus probability of event not E is equal
lagging, ma'am. Lagging, ma'am. Wow. I'm fed up with this. Really, I'm seeing
Probability of
this.
it.
Never should happen in my life again in this pattern. I should retire, then let it happen again. Yes.
Probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E is equal
One.
to
Very good. Because these both are not E means E dash. Not E means E dash.
Elementary
Probability
events.
of E and probability of not E. Okay. So the answer is 1. Second one.
The probability of an event that cannot happen is dash.
Zero.
Probability of event which cannot happen is 0.
Such an event is called
Impossible.
It is called impossible event. Very good. So super. This chapter we get full marks. Sure. So how many marks probability? You should check the schema. It's in our
The
copy.
probability of an event that is certain to happen is dash.
One.
One only. The answer is 1. That
Such
is
an event is called
sure event or certain event. So probability of certain event is equal to 1. That is also called as square event.
the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is
One.
Just now I told you. So all the elementary events, P of A plus P of B plus P of C, how much ever we want. It can be 3 events, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6, anything. So all this elementary events is always 1. So sum of all elementary events. Sum of all elementary events is always 1 because more than 1 not possible. Remember that, okay?
the probability of
Next,
an
Bala.
event.
Aditi.
The probability of an event is greater than or equal to dash.
0 and 1.
0 and 1. So write down this also. 0 and 1 you write the sentence. Write down this. It should be greater than or equal to probability or less than or equal to 1. Write the answer and write this so that they know that you know the concept very well. Suppose fill in the blanks. If it is multiple choice, mostly this will come in multiple choice.
Second one, which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes?
Equally likely outcome. I told you they are called equally likely outcome is called unpredictable events. Okay?
A driver attempts to start a car, the car starts or does not start.
Yes. So what do you write?
1 by 2. 1 by 2. That is.
1 by 2. So that is equally likely outcome. Which of
Yes.
the following have equally likely outcome?
It has.
The first one is equally likely outcome. Second one.
A player attempts to shoot a basketball. She/he shoots or misses the shot.
Again, that is also equally predictable, unpredictable. So unpredictable comes equally likely outcome we can write. We cannot predict the result at all. So like our code test it is. Okay.
A trial is made to answer a true or false question. The answer is right or wrong.
Equally likely.
Again, unpredictable. So it is called equally likely outcome. And everything.
A baby is born. It is a boy or a
Oh,
girl.
everything is like that.
Everything.
Leave that subject.
Perfect.
What?
Because the X chromosome is like that.
In mathematics, they ask such questions. No, you shouldn't be explained. Okay, leave it. Now go to the third one.
Why is tossing a coin considered to be a
Fair way of deciding.
Because it has
Because it has equal outcomes, ma'am. Equal chance of
Equal
outcomes.
likely outcome.
Yeah, it is a fair way of deciding because it is equally likely outcome and it is unpredictable. The result is unpredictable. Right on.
And only 2 outcomes.
Only 2 outcomes are possible. So equally likely outcomes, unpredictable. Both settings you write. So they expect the directions only. They will not expect the big story. Sachin is playing, this man is playing, that man is bowling, waiting, and I am there in that team. I like to play this. Let me not know. We can only write their equally outcome and they are like that. So fourth one.
Which of the following cannot be the
See,
probability of
cannot be the event. 2 by 3 is a proper fraction.
B, ma'am.
15%. 15%
It can
means
be, ma'am.
15 by 100.
15 better, but negative.
Okay, it is also prime fraction. Possibility is there.
B.
Minus
1.5.
B is the answer. 0.7.
Minus 1.5.
0.7 means what? 7 by 10. That is also between 0 to 1 only. So everything is okay except B. So B is the correct answer. B cannot be probability because minus negative will not come and more than 1 also will not come. Two things will not come at all.
If P of E is equal to 0.05, what is the probability of not E?
0.995.
You have to subtract 1 minus.
One
Put
minus.
the formula and subtract. P of put the formula and subtract. Okay, and do it. So it's easy. Sixth one is also easy. A bag contains lemon flavored candies. Okay, make
Malini.
Malini takes out one candy without looking into a bag. What is the probability that she takes orange? That is easy. Seventh one is also in a group of 3 students, probability of 2 students not having same birthday. So 1 minus 0.992. P of E is equal to 1 minus P of E dash. Or P of E dash is equal to 1 minus P of E. That formula you should use. Okay. Now till 8th sum I want everyone to complete today. Quickly. Start.
I don't have only where to write.
Only for absent days this will be taken as homework for them.
Ma'am, first main and all you can do in textbook only, ma'am, because it's filling the blanks.
Sure. Lazy. Do fast, quickly. Be quick.
Yeah,
Don't be lazy.
I'll do.
Offline class. I am very happy to correct.
Ma'am, from third one into ma'am.
I also correct. Okay, from third one you do. Okay, from third one. So 1 to 2 you write textbook. Refer textbook you write. 1 to 2 refer textbook. Lazy people.
Ma'am, should I pause?